Craving something sweet, fluffy, and made with ripe bananas? Today we're making a moist banana cake that's super easy and absolutely delicious. Let's get baking! You'll need 3 ripe bananas mashed, 2 eggs, ½ cup oil or melted butter, 3/4 cup sugar, adjust to taste, 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, ½ teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, optional ½ teaspoon cinnamon, chopped nuts, or chocolate chips. In a bowl, mash the bananas until smooth. Add eggs, sugar, oil, and vanilla. Whisk until everything is well combined. Sift in the flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon if using. Gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Don't overmix, just until combined. Optional. Fold in nuts or chocolate chips now if you like. Grease your cake pan and pour the batter in. Tap to release air bubbles. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer to a rack to cool completely. Look how moist and fluffy that is. Perfect with tea, coffee, or as a sweet snack anytime. And that's how easy it is to make a delicious banana cake at home. No fancy tools, just simple ingredients and amazing results. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you added nuts or chocolate chips.